What's up, guys? I'm Saintcastle, and welcome back to my channel with another reaction video. This one is by Dashcam Academy. Okay, I'm gonna say all rights go to them. Okay, if they want me to take down the video after copywriting it or whatever, I will gladly do that. But I will have a in the description. I will have a link so that you can watch this video. But this is all theirs. I don't own this. I'm just reacting to it. All right. So here we go. Oh, what the hell? Oh, what? Whoa, you're coming in way too fast. Oh, what? Oh, he's losing control. Losing control. No, he got it. He got it. You almost crashed. Never mind. Wow. Well, that car is destroyed. There is no coming back from that. Unless the engine's in the back. I don't know. I don't know about sports cars. I just know they're freaking... Oh, my God. Oh! He hydroplaned. Made that guy tailspin. Oh. How did that happen? What the hell? Oh, God. Oh, my God. Wait. Go back. There's no sign that says how tall it is. There's no sign that says how tall it is. Look, there's no sign. There's a sign right here, but it is blurry. I mean, could that be the sign? This could be in a different language. But right here, there should be a sign that says this is 16 inches tall or 24 inches tall. But there is nothing here. So how would the driver know? They're supposed to know how tall their rigs are and all that stuff, what they carry, what they can fit through. But there's no sign. Oh my God. That sucks. I don't know if that's his fault or not having a sign. Okay, that wasn't so bad. Just wasn't paying attention. Oh my God. Ooh. Are you gonna... Ooh, that's loud. Damn, this one's loud. All right, let's put this down. Oh, what the hell? I was looking away, man. He looked away. Oh, that sucks. Damn, he was going like 60, 70. I must have... Oh. Oh, right in front of a cop.
Oh, man, he hit the wall hard.
Dude, I've seen a crash like that before on the freeway. It's not... It's scary, dude. You hope and pray that the guy is okay. Or girl. Or person driving. Ow. Oh, dude.
You need to get out of the vehicle and do what's right.
Okay, so basically... she's saying her grandma is really mean. All right, this could be true. It cannot, but it's so crazy that could be true. All right, some family members are so mean and abusive. All right, and they're so like protected by the family that, you know, the family allows them to get away with it, and I hate that. Wait a minute. What are they? What is that? Are you gonna crash into him now? What? I've never... Oh my God. was close. That was insanely close, man. Oh. Everyone get down. We're gonna hit. Ah! Oh! Just let it go. If it's gonna hit the ground, or the ground, if it's gonna hit a wall, just let it hit a wall. Nope, it's going crazy. Hopefully it's a tree. Good. Oh, good. That's where you want it to go. You don't want it to go towards the crowd. I was hoping it. Oh, I was hoping that ATV would. Damn. Wow. Oh, it's dead. He's out. Wow, dude. You can't not just leave like that. Hold on, guys. Okay, I want to just give me a second. I'm gonna. She's watching YouTube on my YouTube channel. I don't want some weird stuff to go. Like some. I don't have to explain weird channels. Like you guys have seen some weird channels. I don't have to explain. I just don't want that weird stuff on my channel. How do you? I don't know how to. Aftmouth? Aftmouth. Okay. Hold on. Let me. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Go ahead. Relax and watch your YouTube video and let me film. Okay. Oh gosh, no, that's what I mean by let me film. All right. What? Oh, they got the car to move?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God!
How did you? Dude, he just did some Matrix type stuff.
Shit the bed.
How did he get away from that, dude?
I'll bring you back. I'll bring you back.
He just ran away. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Car, stop! Car! Car! Oh! Were you not paying attention? Oh, how did you lose it? What is that? What is that? What is that? That's not a wheel. Their wheel is on. What came off the wheel? That wasn't a hubcap. Oh my God. He lost control. Is that it? Oh, okay. Oh! This is why I don't tailgate. This is why I keep my distance, and this is why I don't speed. Because if you see that on the freeway, you have to slow down and put your hazards on. What are you doing, man? What is he doing? If he's trying to get over here, this is a left. This is not a left turn.
Why would you ever try and pull out of that street in Lynham? Oh, you bitch! Jesus, she just nearly had an accident.
What being impatient does. You put yourselves and other people at risk. Oh God, he's losing control. This guy, what is he doing? Honk, honk, honk! Honk! What is he doing, man? Oh my god. Oh my god.
I just know that deep down in my heart, you can go and try and change yourself, but it won't.
There's a cop right there.
Christ,
What was he trying to do?
to come in your life.
All he had to do was push on the brakes a little bit and get behind the driver. Ooh. What? Oh my god. Damn, he took that whole thing. What the hell is... Excuse me? A random tire. Why is it smoking? What? How? How does this stuff even happen? Alright, so you are free to go under. Alright. Now, if a car tries to go underneath that while it's going down, you are dumb. No, don't you... Cars are fast or not that fast. You can't treat bicyclists like that, man. You have to give them the right of way. Just like you give... Oh! Just like you give pedestrians the right of way, you have to give the bicyclists the right of way. Alright? You gotta share the road. Do not be a douche. Alright? I got hit hard. Hold on. Oh, he's going too fast. Oh, wow. He was speeding. Maybe he wasn't paying attention. I don't know. Whatever the reason was, but he tried to swerve out of the way, and oh, he he went through the glass of that establishment. Oh my god! And he drives out. He's like, all right, I might as well just drive out. Oh, what is this? The Fast and the Furious? Oh! No! They hit Steve Urkel's car in the water, and they're gone. Wow. Oh my god. No, that's some Fast and the Furious BS right there. Wow. What was that? Was that a rock? That rock got launched. Alright, so when you see the red lights on the tail lights right there, slow down. All the way. I don't think they lowered that ramp all the way. That's why I did that. The weight of the car on top just threw it to the left, dude. Oh! How does that even happen? Oh, there goes the wheel driving away. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Get the bike out of the way before that happens again. Alright, ATVs. Don't do it too fast. You're gonna fly off. Slowly. No! I didn't see that coming.
You good?
I didn't see that coming. Okay. That's it for the reaction video, but again, I don't own the rights to this video, okay? I'm just reacting to it. That's it. All right. Who does own it? Dashcam Academy, okay? I will leave a link in the description, okay? All rights go to them. What was the other word I used before? Everything goes to them. This is their video, not my video, okay? I'm just reacting to it. So if they want me to take it down, I'll take it down, okay? But I'm just reacting to it, and it was a good video. Yeah, I don't want to get hit with a strike. So if you're watching this, don't strike me. Just leave a comment. Leave a comment on my video saying, hey, just take my video down. I don't want you using it, and I'll take it down. You don't have to strike me, okay? You do not have to copyright me. You do not have to like give me a strike at all. Just tell me in the comments, take it down. Say, hey, Saintcastle, you know, good video, but by the way, like, can you take the video down, because I don't want anyone using my content for their content. You know what I mean? Something like that. You don't have to strike me, please. All right. So just dash cam or any other reaction video I do, just comment down below, okay? You don't have to strike me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will do more reaction videos later on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very much. I will see you guys in the next video. I'm Saintcastle, and this has been fun. I will see you guys next. Peace out. Bye, guys.